what I thought when I first met you. That you were a mystery I was never going to solve. Even now, after spending all this time with you, I'm still amazed at the depths of your strength, your heart, and your hotness.
You're not so bad yourself, Castle.
So I
should go. It's late. Good night.
Kate.
Good night, Castle.
Keep me in a vacant lot in the ivies. Forget me nots, hoping you will come and untangle me one of these